Yes, so country people, Tottenham Hotspur 0, Manchester United 3, and we get organic here. We be like say on a regular and a very ogbongelistic Manchester United fan. Make you come tell us about how you see the game because we know say Manchester United last two game, man you lose, but for this game, man you deliver 3 points and 3 goals. Organic, I beg, tell us how you see the game. We know say your body sweet you small today. Tell us how you see it.
Well, I dey happy. I dey very, very happy. You see the smile for my face, I dey happy. Like I feel sleep well.
Not be lie.
At first, I don't want to watch the match, but I just some more courage. Make I watch am. So I give thanks to God for the players, and I go still thank the coach for still see am say make him make difference change today when he work for am. So
Mm.
we dey pray say more continue to dey get positive results to see us to the end. So I really dey happy today. I dey happy. And first of all, they get clean sheets, which dey meaningful for the team for them to get clean sheets. They never get many this season. I think they don't only get only two this season. Only two clean sheets, something like that. I don't get the whole of this season. So they really try for the match, which I dey happy about. So I thank God. Thank God say we win this one. This one don't come out. So we're looking on to the next one.
All right, now no be lie, you talk organic because going into this one, plenty people no believe say man you go still win, but man you still deliver this one. The winner not be say the struggle winner with 3 goals. This kind of winning no be mistake. So, but organic, we know say before this game they talk many stories say they fit sack Manchester United manager Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, but according to some the information we come out be say they give him the next 3 games or so small time whether I go fit save the work. With this win now against Tottenham, you as a Man U fan, you dey confident, you believe say Ole Gunnar Solskjaer go fit save the work.
Well, uh, just like what we talk on Monday, I make the comment say them no go sack Ole now. I say them no go sack Ole now. Say Ole go come Tottenham, he go deliver. But we go get issues now from Atlanta and Man City match, of which who knows? Man City even lose today 2-0. So we don't know the best. We don't know how far them go fit go. But
Mm.
to me, Ole need to go. We not fit pet am. Now our legend, we respect her, we appreciate am for that one. But to say come coach us as Manchester United to the level, he don't carry us reach. He don't give us the team. He don't create team give us. I think it's that time another experienced person come, make the person come show in tactics. Now where till I see about Ole issue with that. So who knows football? We don't know how football they be. If he go straight with another good run to keep him he post again as a coach for next
Mm.
season. But all we know now say if you say a coach that will bring trophies to Man U, not only trophies, we not say trophies, we dey talk about statistics, trophy join. We want to talk about that coach when he get that commanding coach when be like say they command the dressing room, they command the players, the coach because see leadership na responsibility, but sometimes if you too dey calm, people will take your simplicity for stupidity, of which e dey occur for Manchester United team presently, which no suppose be so. I believe say as Greenwood sit down from bench today look this match today, if e get opportunity wear Man U jersey again, go know say e need to pass. Men looking at Cavani and Ronaldo at the front. Players, this time players when they score more than 200 goals for their career. But they feel they get communication, feel they pass for each other because they know say it's all about winning the matches, not all about making a name for themselves. You dey get me? You are just 19, heading for
Yeah.
20. You won't create name
Mm.
for yourself. Those disciplines now things where be like say, holy, we never see I'm saying, but we don't know whether they do am behind closed door, but
Yes.
only not be the coach when if he move Man U to the top where be like say we expect. So to me, he go go.
Okay. All right now, organic. Make we just do an turn. Make we enter inside the player rating. What you go rate David Deja? We be like say today and keep clean sheet.
I'll give her five. I'll give her five. First of all, there was no ball on target. There was
Mm.
no goal attempt. There was no goal attempt. So I give him five.
Okay. What
I
about
give her five.
Lindelof? What you go rate him?
I'll give Lindelof. I'll still give Lindelof. I'll give Lindelof six because it was a good fight. First of all,
Mm.
e no dey easy to keep players like Son and
Harry
what's
Kane.
his name, and Harry Kane. Rafael Van Aeren, man of my match, so I'll give him 8. He did a very nice job controlling the defense, staying behind. He knows when he wants to leave his
Mm.
post. He knows when he wants to remain. He's controlled the defense, dual clearance, balls clearance. The Atlanta first goal, this Tottenham gets that kind of chance too when they want whip balls
Yes.
from front of the keeper. Varane was the kind of person that when we see say coordinate that situation, even Maguire not green leave in post. If you see Maguire today, not play, forget himself. So Varane control the
Okay.
defense very well down to the central, down to the defensive midfield, which I will give thanks to him for say he do that kind of job for us. So me, I give him 8. He did a very good job today. I give him 8. I
All
give him
right. Now, what
8.
about Harry Maguire? Wait till you go it down.
I'll give him 4. I'll give him 5 because still some mistakes. The
Okay.
yellow card when he get, no supposed to get that yellow card. I know say them still lack confidence, so they are bound to make mistake. But when you dey play team like that, you're not supposed to get that yellow card. At
Okay.
least there is what we call leadership. You na captains. That time Maguire take that leadership mantle. You get me? I watched one part of Liverpool Brighton match. I see the way
Mm.
this guy was his name Van Dijk,
Van Dijk.
they bully Brighton defend attackers up to the extent ball will come, go share ball for their front. Those are the kind of things what we expect Maguire to do with the kind money when we take signed you. No be the
Okay.
kind of stay you come the go. Imagine anybody can be your con ride on you. No, no, no. So I
All
give her
right.
5. Give her 5.
Okay. Now, organic. Make we just touch them fast. What do you go rate Aaron Wan-Bissaka?
I'll give her Besaka 5 as well. I'll
Look
give her
Shaw,
I give Luke Shaw 5.
Scott
Only give them
McTominay and Fred. What do you go rate them?
both of them. I'll give them 2 6. Give their 2 6. You try.
Okay.
Give them 6.
Bruno Fernandez, Suko.
I'll give Bruno Fernandez 6.5, between 6.5 7. He makes some nice runs. He makes some nice runs. He makes some passes. And believe me, the first goal, now cost him. The second goal, he fights the second goal out. So he deserves
Okay.
7. Forgetting that Ronaldo make the last pass, but the second goal
Mm.
we agree. Now he make that fight of the second goal. The first goal, now he make the assist. So he deserves 7.
Okay. What about Edison Cavani and Cristiano Ronaldo?
Both of them players wey be like say they deserve like for Edison Cavani, I'll give Edison Cavani 8. It was a very good fight for him. Very good fight.
Mm.
He proved say the bench when they put on because of name, make social they put on for bench. If not, he's there to answer our call as Manchester United fans. So we call him say he will pick our call. Today na
Mm.
very good fight, like very good fight. The pressing first to feed the press for that within that midfield for Tottenham not dey fit dey get that full control of the midfield. Na very nice thing for him. So I go give him 8 for that thing. Added to him goal, give him 8. Why Cristiano
Okay.
Ronaldo? I'll give Cristiano Ronaldo 7 because
All right.
he assists,
Mm.
and he bring that maturity into the game today. There are some places where he that na one still good thing about Ronaldo, not making wrong choices. Ronaldo no go just pick one ball, one try to say I fix it, I go fit
Mm.
dribble am. No, he need to do all those kind of things. He know wetin his strength reach, he know wetin his strength no reach. So I give him
No
7
be
for that
lie.
one.
What about the substitute? Marcus Rashford, Matic, and Jesse Lingard. What do you go rate them?
Like for Matic, I don't see Matic well for the game. Not see well for the game. If Matic quick come inside the game, there are some little mistake when I see someone make. The game pace for
Mm.
overpower am. The pace of the game for overpower am. One thing Matic need to go back to now the idea of him fit control it, but he big. Matic now somebody that get height with strength, not be just somebody that would collect ball from. So you need to know how to control that in that area. That's the area. You need
Mm.
to go back to that Matic when be like saying win Premier League with Chelsea, even
Chelsea.
Manchester United first season. So I go say Matic. I'll give Matic 5. I'll give her 4. I'll give her 4.
Okay. Rashford, uncle.
I'll give Rashford 5 for the goal to
Lingard.
measure the card.
What of
Lingard na
Lingard?
4.
Lingard
Lingard
now
4.
4. Okay, now organic with this win, when Manchester United don't win, we know say Man U next game now against Atalanta for UEFA Champions League. After Atalanta, it will come be the Manchester derby. How you as United fan take they go into those match? You believe what you they expect from Manchester United from those two games?
Atlanta match. Going to Atlanta match na I go still say na 50-50 match for us. If
Mm.
we go there win the match, if we go there draw, if we go there lose. So it's like 50-50. There's no assurance that we're going to Atlanta to take over Atlanta like the way we used to do as Manchester United. We find that
Yes.
very difficult. We find that very difficult. So outside that, if you put that one aside, um, Atlanta, most team now don't understand. Say Manchester United, they play two defensive midfielders, so
Mm.
they play five. They play five midfielders against us, which Atlanta and Villarreal use take intimidate us well. Now why we not fit play good football for that match? So even up to the extent we only have to change formation for second half of Atlanta. So if we go
Okay.
play Atlanta with like this, it would be difficult game for us. At least to say our midfielders will need to do more. They will need to
Yes.
do. But going to play Atlanta with this kind of confidence, give us that confidence. Say we're not they go there to go relax, or we they go there to go play defensive football. And
Yeah.
secondly, these are 5 defenders. These are 5 midfielders when they play. The team they press us. The team they find it difficult to penetrate inside our 18 easily. So they will always they
Okay.
bring area balls for us when we get defenders, when you get heights, when they go fit clear them. So going to
No be
Atlanta
lie.
match is 50-50. But Manchester City match, after Atlanta match, before I go get comment for Manchester City match, because for you to
Okay.
play
No.
Man
No.
City, beat Man
Yes.
City, or get a draw in Man
Mm.
City's home, I mean, Man U the day home. I don't know. Like Man
Hopefully,
U,
now Man you go play on.
okay.
Yeah, I think now Man you go
You
play on.
need the players' confidence, which Manchester United team still dey lack. That phobia of what wetin happen to us from Leicester to Liverpool still dey. So
Yes.
wetin dem need to do na just to keep this pace now. Fit go Atlanta, win Atlanta, finish now. Then Manchester City go
Mm.
buckle up. We know say eh, and
The,
even
the, the,
even
the game with Manchester City, now Manchester United go dey home. Now Man you go dey home for that match.
make dem not still call baba our hair for us, carry our hair follow body go.
No be lie. You talk because it go dey interesting. But Organic, thank you very much for your time as you can talk about the game. So we hope say this 3 points wey Manchester United secure go make your the rest of your weekend go well. Organic, thank you. You too much.
I go drink one bottle of beer till happy.